Yo, what's going on YouTube? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time you're watching this video, welcome. If you're new here or if you don't know already, I do have a brand new desk. Shout out to my friend Raj for building it for me. But with this new desk, I do have one new problem. My cables are everywhere, and if you know me, I like to stay clean and organized. So for today's video, I'm gonna be using the UK cable management. Please note that this is not a sponsored video. I purchased this myself off Amazon. But UK, if you are interested in doing a collaboration, please hit me up on Instagram at gillynova. And for everyone else, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and please hit the like button down below. If you have any questions throughout this video, please leave a comment below. So I have no prior knowledge of using this or installing this, so it's going to be a first time for me. By the end of this video, I'll let you know if this is an easy install, if there's any tips for you guys moving forward. And yeah, let's get this video started.
Sit back, relax, I'ma show you a good time. Stop what you doing and let's party. Stop what you doing and let's party. I know that you don't have any plans tonight. Stop what you doing and let's party. Stop what you doing and let's party.
Very sticky adhesive tape. And then we have the 6 channels here for flexibility. Let's open that up. So this is how it looks like close up if you're interested. So it should fit a good amount of cables through this. So I just want to check if my display ports will go through this easily. And it looks like it fits perfectly. So I'm thinking about where I should place the channel. I think I'm gonna align it right here. So I'm thinking about placing it right here so when my cables come through, it'll still be hidden with the leg. So I'm thinking about just using 3 pieces. One all the way there next to the leg, one in the middle, and one on this side. So my table is 60 inches, just in case if you guys are wondering. So it looks like there's a lot of room in the very back to put 2 adhesive tapes. If you do run out of adhesive tape, I'm sure you can find this at your local store. Back here, looks fine. Make sure that it's sticking. Then I'm gonna do another one. Make sure that's sticking too. Now I remove the tape. Okay. Now I'm going to align the channel with the leg. As you can see, now I have all 3 channels up. Now I'm going to put the cables through the channels and let's see how it looks like in the end. Alright, and there you have it. This is my current cable management setup. I think it's a lot cleaner than before. Leave a comment below on what do you guys think. Overall, I gotta say it was fairly easy to install the cable management. As for any tips, make sure whatever you're trying to connect can reach to your end goal. For my case, my keyboards, my monitors, my mouse, I made sure that it was able to reach the back of my computer. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, or you can reach me on Instagram at gillynova. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button down below. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button as I'm gonna have more content coming soon. And until next time YouTube, stay gold. Peace out.